Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is antisense therapy. Antisense therapy based on immunotherapy. They have some approaches of tumor antigen discovery, which is based on the existing of host response based on tumor characterization. What is the difference? So these are the characteristics which is the related to the immunotherapy and they have some advantage and disadvantage. Antigens known to be immunogenic and disadvantage are limited to the tumor that have been immunogenic and limited to the antigen that is induced a response without active immunization. Not always possible to the identify the antigen, and antigen may be unique to the tumor. So antisense therapy is also a related to the like a gene therapy. It is also part of like a gene therapy. We have to replace some genes, we have to use some oligonucleotides and replace by some DNA or RNA, and treatment by some small kinds of oligonucleotides to use some treatment in same kind of disease like cancer and HIV, AIDS, and these kinds of activity, these kinds of disease, we can treat it by the antisense therapy. So for a treatment, we are using some kind of small kind of oligonucleotides and and we can solve it by the easily, and we can replace by some particular genes by the R oligonucleotide genes, and then we will successfully treat it by treatment by this antisense therapy. Non-specific immunotherapies are in treatment of BCG, cytokine cell therapy, and specific immunotherapy related to the adaptive antibody therapy, adaptive transfer to the T cell for vaccination, tumor-based vaccines, virus-based vaccines, peptide-based vaccines, and others. In this, here is showing the diagram. DNA ending with the tumor antigens and some kind of nuclease and cap transporters, beta microglobin, MHC heavy chains, the T cell receptor, Golgi apparatus. How to T cell receptor send our signaling to the Golgi receptors and how they work and how to our translated proteins worked and how to our oligonucleotide replaced by some the particular proteins and how to they translate and how to disease cure. These are the peptides, viral gene transfer vectors, and antigen modified DCG. They can be limited immune response to epitopes and distinct from the wild type. Epitopes can be enhanced and easy to produce a stable and some immunological clinical response reported, and require knowledge of specific epitopes and immunogenicity restricted by the limited number of MHC molecules, and about the viral genes. And the viral genes can be engineered by the co-express and the molecules of the cytokines and wide variety of like pox gene and linthone virus. And about antigen modified diseases, use of some powerful APCs, that means antigen modified DCG, and techniques available to generate large number of clinical grades, and target antigens may be defined or and characterize multiple antigen loads in techniques like using like protein, RNA transfection, viral vectors, some immunological clinical responses reported, and they have need to ex vivo cell culture. They have some kind of cost, time, labor instances, and optimal techniques of the antigen loading. So these are the advantage of the peptides, and these are the disadvantage of the peptides. and and viral gene transfer vectors and the antigen modified diseases. showing angiotherapy in situ tumor, and in endothelial cell is the capillary release protein growth factors. Tumor cell release the anti-angiogenic proteins and the suppressed level of the angiogenic inhibitors. Then capillary proliferate tumor begins to the grow. Then further, after treatment with the angiogenic drug, tumor climates in the sites, tumor continue to the expand eventually and spreading to the other organs. So how we are treating from this, and how we are using the oligonucleotide and some particular drug to the treatment for this tumor. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Thank you.